Hey guys, so my name's Nick and today we're going to do my 2017 BMX bike check. Okay, so first thing we got is the ODI bar ends. These ODI bar ends, they're my favorite because they're like plastic and they're pretty reliable. I got the ODI softies that are really comfortable, but when you ride for a long time, the bad thing is you get some black things on your hands. I don't understand. So we got the stock Stolen BMX Co. forks that are really nice. They haven't cracked yet for me, and I've never really had a cracked bar. So yeah. I think my cameraman's doing something weird. What are you doing?
I do.
Okay. So next we got some stock blue bars that are really nice, and I've been riding them since I was like 12, and now I'm 14. Okay. Next we got the seat. The seat is an Eclat soft bike seat that is really nice right now. I only have it about 3 inches up because I like that to sit on, you know. Yeah. Next we got the frame. The frame is a Stolen BMX Co. stock frame that has a couple stickers, stolen one, and then I have this random quad one that I wanted to put on there, so I did. We got the cranks. The crank is it's not a stock Stolen BMX Co. Crank because I broke mine. Mine broke right in half for some reason, like last year. So yeah, and I got new ones that aren't stock, but they're still Stolen BMX Co's, and they're really nice. So next we got my pedals that are stock, but I still have them because they're just really nice. They're really hard plastic, and they're nice. It doesn't hurt you when you fall and hit them. Next we got a chain that's pretty nice. That came with the bike. It's a Stolen BMX Co. stock. Next thing we got is the wheels. I don't know what the tires are, but the wheels are stock Stolen BMX Co. Wheels that are really nice. My brakes are stock BMX Co. Brakes that I need to fix a little. Next we got is what is it called? These caps right here. It's just the domino ones. I think they look really cool. And then we got this stock. This one's stock. This head is stock because it's just all black and it looks really nice, and it says Stolen right there in cursive. So yeah, that's it for today, and there's no clip for today because I don't have any. So see you guys later.